Ever felt torn between a practical family SUV and a thrilling performance car? It's a classic head versus heart dilemma. What if you could have both? For 2026, Nissan answers that question with the all-new Armada NISMO, an aggressive package that blends 7-seat capability with the undeniable soul of a sports car. This isn't just a styling exercise with some badges slapped on. Nissan's legendary NISMO performance division has taken the thoroughly redesigned Armada and given it a serious shot of adrenaline, transforming it from a capable family hauler into a street-focused performance machine. Let's see if this performance-bred beast is truly the best of both worlds. The Armada NISMO's presence is undeniable from the moment you lay eyes on it. It's more brutish and muscular than the standard model, with a larger, more intricate grille, aggressive vertical air intakes, and a Fast and Furious-style body kit accented with signature NISMO red lines. This aggressive look makes it stand out dramatically from the more understated designs of rivals like the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition. It rides on unique 22-inch forged wheels, which look fantastic and reduce unsprung weight for better handling, but the low-profile tires might create a firmer, more communicative ride than some families prefer. The sporty stance comes at the cost of ground clearance, which is reduced to just 8.9 inches, making this a street-focused SUV that is best kept away from serious off-road trails. Inside, the sporty theme continues, with a cabin that feels both premium and purposeful. You're greeted by charcoal leather and striking red quilted micro-suede inserts, with red stitching and NISMO branding tastefully placed throughout. The heated and massaging front seats even have adjustable side bolsters to keep you secure during spirited driving. However, this focus on performance means practicality takes a hit. The NISMO is a 7-seater only, with second-row captain's chairs, unlike the 8-seat options available from the Tahoe and Expedition. Cargo space is also a significant compromise. Its 97 cubic feet maximum is considerably less than the cavernous 123 cubic feet offered by its main rivals. If your priority is hauling the maximum amount of gear for a family vacation, the NISMO falls short. Technology is a strong point where the NISMO doesn't compromise. It comes loaded with features that enhance both comfort and convenience, like a vast panoramic sunroof, a hands-free motion-activated liftgate, a crystal-clear 3D surround view camera, and a rich 12-speaker Klipsch audio system. It also includes active sound enhancement to pipe the engine note into the cabin, a feature that performance enthusiasts might love, though some may find it artificial. Performance is where the NISMO truly shines and justifies its name. Its twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 is specially tuned by NISMO engineers to produce an impressive 460 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel. More raw power than its key rivals from Ford, Chevy, and Toyota. Paired with a responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain promises exhilarating acceleration off the line and effortless passing power on the highway. To handle that power, NISMO engineers completely retuned the steering and adaptive air suspension, aiming for a more direct, connected, and engaging driving experience that defies the vehicle's size. Naturally, all that power affects fuel economy. While official figures aren't out, expect numbers similar to the standard model's 16-city, 20-highway MPG. Just remember that premium fuel is required to unlock the engine's full potential, adding to the running costs. When it's time to work, the NISMO tows a respectable 8,500 pounds. That's competitive for many needs, but not class-leading, as rivals from Ford and Toyota can pull thousands of pounds more, making them better choices for those with large trailers. For peace of mind on family duties, the Armada NISMO comes fully equipped with Nissan's comprehensive Safety Shield 360 suite. This includes crucial driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and lane keeping assist to help prevent accidents. What about price? While not official, expect the Armada NISMO to start in the $70,000 to $80,000 range. This places it in direct competition with performance-oriented rivals like the Chevy Tahoe RST with a 6.2-liter V8, the Ford Expedition Stealth Performance, and the off-road capable Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro, all of which offer their own blend of power and utility. Ultimately, the 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO is a compelling, if compromised, statement piece. It's for the driving enthusiast who needs the space of a 3-row SUV, but whose heart still craves the thrill of a sports car. It trades some practicality in cargo and towing for head-turning style and class-leading horsepower. It's a bold, powerful, An unapologetically different choice in a segment often defined by practicality alone. So what do you think? Did Nissan strike the right balance? Is this the ultimate family hauler for the driving enthusiast? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.